Oh, love Ada, you don't see something. I take my eye, see somebody today. I don't know whether something they do. I mean, they do something. Person will never marry. He don't do 50 years. By November now, he go dey 51 years. He can't tell me say he no won't marry anyhow. Say the class of men that he wants. One, he wants a graduate. Two, he don't want somebody in Nigeria. Three, he wants somebody from a rich background. Now 51, I been 51, I been 50. Now 50 years old person. Now they tell me this thing. I been una come here to it. Come share this post, share this post. You get as my head they do me. I can't dey ask am. Say wetin dey happy. Say when she dey 28 years, say na so people they come where they come marry am. Rich people, poor people, injustice select rich people. Sometimes you go see them. Say them they beg am. At the time, she can't take him out, say, no, he won't wait making brothers and sisters marry first, say, she won't be the last. The brothers and sisters can't they marry. I call her and say, village people, they do something. Person when they talk like, the lady was, yeah, God. He tell me, he they cry, they tell me, say, he won't marry. But the thing we can't surprise me was the condition. Hey, when I hear condition, I mean, I say, make I call her sooner. 50 years going to 51 years, you get anybody we won't marry him? Hey, God, I don't know, this woman, a teacher. He said they find husband. She said she don't want. She said she don't want widow. Wow. She don't want person where single we don't marry before we get pikin. She wants single man like gaga. She tell me say she said she be virgin. Me I say all of us na virgin now. Me say no be virgin I be. Every woman na virgin. Some people they come for and tell me say they are one tell me so he say the lady come lie to and say he be virgin. He when he go he can't say he no be virgin. I say before uncle. Every woman is virgin talker. But waiting me at the tell this one now 50 years she is still a virgin. And that virgin you want to marry a graduate, you want to marry a tall man, you want somebody from a rich background, and they don't want somebody that is living in this country. 50 years old woman. She's of average height. She have a good body, skin, very smallish in nature. She no comfort like me. She skin, they fine. So in case if you want a woman like that, she's a teacher in government school. Do you want someone like that? If you want, I'm not laughing at her. It's her choice. But sister, I know you will come across this video. You even see me where I be like say I laugh. Sister, me like this, I never reach 50 years. I won't tell you the truth. He had before you go see a man, we never born pikin, never marry. He can't work and say you won't marry person within 50 years. Ijogo. That is the correct thing Igbo man go ask you. So that is why it's good. If you see a man will get pikin, you no get wife, you marry him. At least you have peace of mind. If you if you see a widower coming your way, just like some widower are coming by your side, marry them. Choose one and marry. Don't wait until you see somebody will come from abroad. Oh, this abroad husband, we won't come here, come marry 50 years old woman. Okay, my people, if you have something to drop for her on the comment section, do your own. I don't try. I don't know what to say again.